Hey everyone! Welcome back to Flutt Sky. In today's video, we're going to dive into the Animated Physical Model widget in Flutter. This widget is a fantastic way to add realistic, interactive UI elements to your apps, giving them a sleek, polished look. The Animated Physical Model widget allows you to apply visual effects like elevation, color, shadow, and shape changes with smooth animations. If you're looking to add subtle yet powerful animations to your app, this widget is for you. Before we begin, if you are new to channel, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, and don't forget to check out my previous videos for more insights. Let's start by showing a demo of how it works. In this app, I have a sample box that smoothly changes its color, shadow, shape, and elevation when I tap it. You can see how natural and dynamic this animation feels, perfect for adding life to your app. Now, let's jump into the code and break down how we can achieve this. First, in the code, we have a stateful widget to manage the state of our animations. The bool isTransformed value. Then in the body of scaffold we have our centered widget that contains animated physical model, which is wrapped in gesture detector, so when we tap the widget, the bool value is updated using setState method. The animated physical model widget, which is at the core of this example, takes several parameters that define its appearance and behavior. Elevation. This controls the height of the shadow, making the widget appear raised. Here isTransformed will give us value of 20.0 when true and 2.0 when false. Shape. You can choose between two shapes, boxshape.circle or boxshape.rectangle. We will use rectangle. Color. The color of the widget will change between deep purple and blue. Shadow color. This defines the color of the shadow around the widget when it's elevated. It will be black. Curve. This parameter defines the animation's easing behavior, like curves.easeInout cubic for smooth transitions. Duration. The time it takes for the animation to complete. It will be 500 millisecond. Border radius. We will have circular radius of 30 when isTransformed is true and 0 when false. Child. This is the widget that will be wrapped by the animated physical model. In this example, we'll wrap a simple container widget that has a height of 200 and weight of 200, which has centered text widget, tap me. Let's run our app. Watch how the animated physical model works. The container smoothly transitions between its two states, changing its shape, color, elevation, and shadow, all in one go. This kind of animation is perfect for adding depth and interactivity to your app. Whether you're building a card-based UI, a custom button, or any widget with dynamic effects, the animated physical model widget allows you to make those transitions look smooth and polished. Now, let's do some changes to our code to make it interesting. We will animate the position of container when it is tapped with our current physical model widget. We'll create _top position and initialize it to 0, and a _left position and set it to 0. Then we will create random value. For that we need to import our math library from Dart. Move container function that will update our state with setState method. We update the isTransformed value and the top position with random value, and we remove the size of our container from total width of device. Same goes for the left position. It will generate the random position within our device. We will remove the center widget and wrap it within stack widget. Then we wrap the gesture detector with AnimatedPositioned widget. It will have a duration of 500 milliseconds and a curve of easeInout cubic. The top and left position will be our random value we generated above. We update the gesture detector's onTap function to the move container function. Now, let's run our app to see how it looks. You see, when we tap the container, it toggles its color, shape, textile, and elevation. And the container will move to a random position on the screen. This creates a more interactive and dynamic experience. The container will appear to jump to different locations on the screen while also changing its appearance. And that's how you use the animated physical model widget in Flutter. With just a few lines of code, you can create amazing visual effects that bring your app's UI to life. Whether it's animating shadows, colors, or shapes, this widget gives you the flexibility to create engaging, beautiful animations effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Flutter tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and feel free to share your thoughts on what kind of animations you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.